Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Latest partition designs of wall for the house. A partition wall is a wall that divides a space. A partition wall is usually designed to make an open room into the smaller rooms. Sometimes these partitions are temporary and other times they are the permanent. There are many reasons to build a partition wall. The most common reason that no is because to make the room secretly, the privacy. The partition wall, or also be called a drywall or a plasterboard, is a panel used to divide a room and create the more privacy. It is made of wood or a gypsum drywall, which is used as a facing mounted on a wooden frame. A partition wall is a panel that divides a room to create a more privacy. Partition walls are panels that divide a room to create more. This is normally done with a dry wood timbers, but sometimes it is done with the normal wood. These walls can be made to be divided in the three parts. One side of the wall on one side of the construction and other part on the other side of construction. There are the function of the partition wall. First one, it provides privacy. Partition wall are the best wall for privacy as they can easily be partitioned into different sections. They also help you maintain your privacy in a proper designing. Another benefit, they divide a room into the two sections. Depending upon on the style of the partition, you can divide your home into or more section so that you will have a private cubicle to live in with your families and friends. This partition can give you privacy and security depending on how they install and the designs. Third benefit are partition walls are made with the different materials. Partition walls are made of different material and using them in your home will give you an elegant look. They can also be used as a decorative items for your interior designs.